if you close your eyes.
Hey guys! So today we are really excited because we got a snack crate. I'm so excited!
We're really excited because our last video was really fun and we want to continue to do this as a series on our channel to unbox our snack crates, so stay tuned for more to come.
So obviously you guys know what this looks like. No way!
Guys, look where the candies from!
Oh my god.
That is exciting.
I just can't. I won't do it.
Look at this beautiful box.
Oh my god, everything looks so delicious. Okay,
So let's dive in. Right now, the ones that she will be showing.
3 different flavors, and they are...
4?
Sorry, I don't know how to count. I mean 4 different flavors. It is sandia, which is watermelon, mango, which is mango, and this is just a really like extra spicy one, and the regular one.
So these are called pulparindos. This candy is made from the pulp of a tamarind fruit and is flavored with sugar, salt, and chili peppers, making it simultaneously tart, sweet, salty, and spicy.
First, you're gonna be trying the watermelon. Oh my god. So this is con fruta natural. With real fruit. This is tamarind, is a fruit.
But it has watermelon flavor.
It's kind of spicy.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Very good. Sure, I mean,
That's spicy.
we're sisters, so I mean, excited. Not bad. They're actually pretty spicy, spicier than I remember. I haven't had one of these in a while.
De la piñata. This is the original flavor. I already know what that tastes like. So, just regular tamarind.
Tastes really good.
Fruta natural. Okay, I'll show you the time. I'm just so excited. Okay, so this is the extra hot tamarind.
I mean, if you didn't notice, it's red packaging, so it means it's spicy.
It's cute. It kind of looks like hamster food. Oh, very nice, very nice. Just kidding. The rate out of the 4, there was the mango, watermelon, regular tamarind, and
Spicy.
the extra spicy one. But I'll go with watermelon. Hands down, it is the best one.
That's exactly where I was going. It just has the right amount of flavor, not too much tamarind, not too much watermelon. Just perfect mix.
Next thing. It's called a Masaan. It is probably the most well-known Mexican candy out there. This dulce de cacahuate is a disc full of sweetened ground peanuts. But wait, this isn't a regular mazapan. This is the chocolate-covered mazapan.
It's good.
Really good. Like I said, it's like powdered peanut butter.
Okay, Duine, this candy is a frosting packet basically, which is awesome. We've included all 3 varieties.
There is 3 flavors. There is the strawberry and hazelnut, the concealer under your eye, and then the contour. There's a hazelnut and vanilla highlight and contour. And then there's a strawberry and vanilla
Blush and highlight.
blush and highlight. These are people.
Why would they only give us these many?
No, they didn't give us the little spoons.
Oh, frosting.
So if you ain't got no spoon, you just use your finger.
Use your nail to scoop it out.
Don't do it like this. Do it like this. Really good. Next candy. This is Pelon. Pelo Rico. A delicious tamarind flavored go. That's sweet, salty, and spicy all at once.
Look at that beautiful deliciousness.
This is really hard, but it's like Play-Doh, you know the Play-Doh toys? When you squeeze it, that's what it's like, and you eat it. Okay, we're back.
So we're gonna lick it.
You won't get your own. Cooties. Gave us Mexican lollipops. We've included these 3 most popular varieties: mango, strawberry, and watermelon. They start spicy and then get sweet. So I will be trying sandia, watermelon.
Oh boy. That's like tahini on a stick.
Delicious. It's really good. Your turn. Te toca.
Let's do
Tag
this.
it.
Okay, next thing is Takis Fuego.
Takis, a rolled crispy tortilla snack in many flavors. Options for the month are guacamole or spicy flavor. We did not get guacamole
Because we don't like guacamole.
but we didn't get to pick it. But we got Fuego,
Hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chips.
tortilla chips. They look like
Little tortilla rolls.
Obviously, that's what the description says. Anyway, this is how you eat them, okay? You grab a thick one. What I like to do, and then it's done. Just kidding. I like the
It
spices.
tastes a lot like hot Cheetos.
You've never tried them before?
Uh-uh.
That went into my eye. Why does this always happen to me? But then, next.
Your turn.
Cacahuates japoneses.
I don't know
Style
why they put
peanuts.
it.
Cacahuates. Estilo japonés.
I have no idea why they put it in a Mexican box because it says Japonés.
So I already know I love these. It's like regular peanuts and like a sweet. You know what I mean?
I think.
They smell sweet. So here goes nothing.
Whoa, man. That's hella hard.
It's like a jawbreaker. Really good. Saving these for later. Japoneses Peanuts. Don't let the name fool you. These are Mexican, invented by Japanese immigrants, and sold in Mexico City back in 1945.
There you go.
That explains everything. Next.
Canelitas. These are my favorite cookies.
Canelitas. Delicious cinnamon cookies. I'm not a big fan of these, honestly.
I love them. They taste great with coffee.
I'm not a really big fan of coffee either. So,
Squinkles. A relatively new Mexican candy, a slightly spicy pineapple flavored candy with a tamarind filling.
pineapple. Dulce enchilado entría sabor piña con lleno sabor tamarindo.
Same thing I just said in English.
Delicioso. You're not gonna like this.
That looks disgusting.
So it looks like dog treats once again. Okay.
That was nasty.
They're not the best. They're not nasty, but...
We were opening the Gansito package. Took it out.
It looks like chocolate-covered Twinkies, which is what it is, basically. A snack similar to a Twinkie full of strawberry jelly and covered in chocolate. This snack is lit, fam. Literally what it says. This is the last item, so it better be delicious. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. They're really soft. Unfortunately, that was the last item. That was it. I loved every single thing inside, honestly. Except for
Those were not good.
dog food. No. That concludes today's video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!